The old dishwasher broke beyond this spirited man's will to fix it, and his family was gifted a new one. One flaw, though. One temporary flaw. The front panel ships separately. Without the weight of the front panel, we have a problem. Once the frustration subsides, this is the sort of problem that the spirited man loves to solve. Strangely, solving this problem conjures up a sort of giddy feeling in the spirited man, like he's not really supposed to be spending time on this problem, like he's skipping school, like an outlaw rush or therapy.
Hose clamps, 1/4-inch plywood, and a dumbbell.